Welcome to Course Guru. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can do a free course from Google on Google Ads, Google AdWords, and also earn a certificate from it. So if you are interested in adding Google Ads to your skill set and adding it to your resume, then watch this video till end. So let's discuss what is Google Ads and how it can help you. Whenever you see an ad on YouTube or on any website, just click on the little cross button that's above it. It's going to show you ads by Google. And all those ads are managed by the Google ad expert and employee of that particular company. You can also do this course and be that employee, or you can either grow your business or startups and many things by running advertisements on YouTube or on all the various platforms that are available online. So let's do this course and add another certificate to your resume that may help you in your career growth. I'm going to showcase you step-by-step method how you can do this course and get a certificate. So let's jump on to our laptop or on your mobile phone and open your Chrome browser. So just type Google Ads certification and hit on the search button and click on the first link, Google Ads certification Google Skillsoft. Okay, and you are going to land on skillsoft.exceedlms.com, and here it's all the certificates are listed here that you can get, and it's very short courses, like it's 4-hour course, 4.7-hour course, and 3-hour course and 2-hour course, and all the beginners level that you can do and also get a certificate from it. So it's basically a gem. So let's click on the first, Google Ad Display Certification, and here it's on course overview what this course is all about, and it's rated all the 5 stars. And so yeah, here it's all the study materials that you are going to learn in this course and ultimately get a certificate from that. Okay, so let's logging into this so that we can save our progress. Okay, and sign in with the Google account. You have to choose your one Google account and it's going to automatically log you into that. So I am choosing one. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, so yeah, here you have to accept all the terms and click on the submit button, and here you have to fill up all your details like first name, last name, and the country that you are living. I am in India, so I am putting in it India, and the company name that you are working with, or you are running your own company, so you can put any company name, and the email that you have. And after that you have to put on time zone. So Indian time zone is GMT plus 5:30. Okay, so I am choosed one, and the preferred language you can also change anyone, but I like English. So yeah, enter your recovery email. I am just going to skip all this and click on I do have a YouTube account, but I don't want to connect it. So yeah, let's continue. So yeah, it's going to this welcome screen and it's going to showcase you or whatever you can do on this Skillsoft website. Okay, so yeah, we are finally logged in, and just click on get started. So yeah, so total of 1297 people have reviewed 4.8 stars, so it's really good course. Actually I have done this course already, so I know that this course is really good, and you are going to learn a lot about Google Ads from this little short course. Okay, it's only 3-hour course that you have to do, and also you are going to get a certificate from that. So here it's the profile that you can check, and here is the Google certification. Once you complete it, here it will show you have completed, and right now it's showing continue learning. So let's browse more courses what we can do in. So here it's Google Ad course, Google for Education, Google Marketing Platform, and all the many courses that you can do for free and also earn a certificate from that. How good is that? I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please give it a like and also subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question or suggestion, just comment on the video. and I am definitely going to reply you.